but it was finished. In 7.5 days, nobody was there. So that's why the most important is that we must surrender to Krishna. BG Bhagavad Gita informs us about Krishna concept of infinity, the search for which leads to self-realization as well as perfection. So Krishna speaks about himself in Bhagavad Gita. भगवान स्वयं अपने बारे में कहते हैं भगवद गीता। और जब हम उसको सुनते हैं, उसको समझते हैं, तो हमारी अपना आत्म साक्षात्कार हो जाता है। इसीलिए भगवद गीता को ध्यान करना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए, उसके बारे में सुनना चाहिए। God pervades through His creation, thus every aspect of creation will remain elusive in spite of our best effort. This is a proof that God is infinite. Nothing in this world can be understood as it is. Seers of truth, holy books, spiritual masters are three sources to get the knowledge of absolute truth. Okay. So thank you so much for being present. We just finished understanding Krishna as Krishna's infiniteness. The absolute truth has many texture or many parameters by which to understand absolute truth. One of the parameters to understand absolute truth is infiniteness. And today we try to dwell in the subject matter of how infinite is Krishna is. Okay. And there are so many other things also we will talk little later. Maybe next class we will talk further. But if you have any questions, please ask.